Welcome to ExcelGainz. In this quick video, I will show you how to calculate the number of business days left between two dates. So just say your firm has 5 projects, each with a client deadline. So I'm going to start by using the today formula, which shows January 6th, which is today. And the number of days left would be simply subtracting the client deadline minus today. Now, if you want only business days that are left, you use a formula called network days. And if I click the FX, which is the formula builder, the start date is today, and the end date will be January 20th. So there's 11 business days between January 6th and January 20th, and I can copy this down. Now, if you wanted work days less holidays, you can use network days once again. You're going to start the same as before. The start date will be today, the end date will be the client deadline, and the holidays are listed below, starting with New Year's Day, next Martin Luther King Day on the 18th. So that's C11 to C20. So I can drag this formula down. I'm going to make it an absolute reference. So I'm going to click in the formula bar at the top, highlight this purple C11 to C20, and hit function key F4, hit enter, and drag this down. And just as a sanity check, I'm going to subtract the work days left minus the work days less holidays, and then I'll do a quick count day of the firm holidays. And the reason that is 10 and this is 9 is that today is 1/6/21 and New Year's Day holiday is already passed.